night is moving around and we're feeling on top of the world. On top of the world. Come on together.
Oh man,
We can rock the world.
the vibe, yeah, the little textures in between, that vibe is really good. Oh man.
On top of the world.
It's so clean, man. Oh, there's the reds. Oh man. Oh, what is that? Oh, holy crap. Wow.
On top of the world.
Yo, these pauses. Wow. Wow, dude. A lot of sharp movements. Oh, bro. Wow. I got chills right now. Oh. Just a single click makes me go all giddy, bro. What the heck is that? Wow, dude, what the heck was that, bro? Hey, stop looking at my Wuthering Waves, bro. I was trying to play that game anyway. Dude, that was crazy, dude. Like, there wasn't a lot of, like, movement, but there was, like, crisp, hard-hitting beats. And I think that there was a lot to learn from that show. There was, like, a lot to learn from you know, because, you know, in musicality, like, you kind of want to move around all the time. But then Dr. Freeze was very controlled with it. That's freaking amazing, man. That was a great finals video. Really, that was crazy. Felt the whole through this. Felt like you do the same. Show the whole comp. Okay, I think we went all out for the final show. I really like that there were a lot of moves in there that I didn't see him throw throughout the entirety of, at least from when I watched his shows. So that was freaking amazing. Gotta give it to freaking Freeze, man. That was freaking amazing. Let's go ahead and watch Wonka, man. That was freaking awesome. Oh, that wave, dude. Oh, the P. Where's the M at? Oh, there it is. Dude, I love the placement of his duos. Or those second lights. Wow. Man, he's gliding. Oh, that illusion, dude. Oh, what is that? Oh. Yo, what is that, dude? Oh, man. Man. Yo. Dude, Wonka has such a let me show you this style. It's so unique. Yo, that is so fucking unique, dude. Shoot, dude. What is happening? Dude, that freaking set is so crazy. Wow. Dude, that was gnarly, bro. That was totally okay. Yeah, that was freaking gnarly. That was so different. What, like, that technique that Wonka displayed is, no one else does that. No one else does what Wonka does. Dude, guys, give it up for freaking Wonka. That was freaking amazing. Okay, we're not gonna find out who the winner is just yet. Okay, we're gonna watch the future base grand finals next, and then we're gonna go into the winners. All right, but wow, man, that was a vibe. Crazy concepts. Wonka had like probably the craziest concepts this competition, in my opinion. The craziest. All right, the very first King of Trance. 1. Boom. Dr. Freeze. Dude, honestly, guys, Dr. Freeze, man, shout out to Dr. Freeze. He really pulled out all the stops on that last match, man. He really pulled out all the stops. Big shout outs to Wonka, though. Wonka threw one of the most unique shows I've ever seen. But Dr. Freeze, man, there's just something about trance and impacting, man. Like, it's gonna be tough, man. There's just something about it that just matches, right? And this is time and time again. Trance, Team in Trance, there's something there. Huge shout out to Dr. Freeze, guys. Huge shout out to Dr. Freeze and Wonka, and to all the people who participated.
I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, how the hell is he eating all those chips with his mask on? That's not important. What is important are these batteries, and these gloves, and these accessories. And you can get them all 10% off if you use the code ALOHANATION at glow-leds.com. I'm watching Fry.